Coding and Programming Crash Course, HTML and CSS. Introduction. In the digital era, websites play a crucial role in our daily lives. Whether you're browsing the internet, shopping online, or accessing information, HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are the building blocks of web development. In this crash course, we'll provide you with an overview of HTML and CSS, their importance in creating stunning web pages, and how they work together to bring websites to life. Stories and examples. Before we dive into the technical details, let's explore some interesting stories and examples that highlight the significance of HTML and CSS in the world of web development. 1. The evolution of web design. Web design has come a long way since the early days of the Internet. In the 1990s, websites were basic and primarily text-based, lacking the visual appeal we see today. As HTML and CSS advanced, developers gained the ability to create visually captivating designs, resulting in the explosion of creativity we witness on the web today. 2. The rise of responsive design. With the advent of mobile devices, the need for responsive web design emerged. HTML and CSS played a crucial role in making websites adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Today, websites seamlessly adjust their layouts and content to provide optimal viewing experiences on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. 3. Interactive web applications. HTML and CSS, combined with JavaScript, enable the creation of interactive web applications. From dynamic forms to interactive maps and real-time data visualizations, HTML and CSS provide the foundation for immersive user experiences on the web. These examples highlight the transformative power of HTML and CSS in shaping the digital landscape. By understanding these languages, you gain the ability to create visually appealing and engaging websites that captivate users. Top 12 Popular HTML and CSS Syntax. Now, let's explore the top 12 popular HTML and CSS syntax that form the backbone of web development. These syntax elements are essential for structuring content, applying styles, and creating interactive web pages. HTML syntax. 1. This declaration specifies the HTML version being used in the document. 2. 3. 4. The element sets the title of the web page, which appears in the browser's title bar or tab. 5. The element represents the main content of the web page, including text, images, links, and other elements. 6. 2. These heading elements define hierarchical headings, with being the highest and being the lowest. CSS syntax. 1. Selector. A selector is used to target HTML elements that you want to style. It can be an element selector, class selector, ID selector, or more complex selectors. 2. Property. A property defines the specific aspect of an element's style, such as color, font size, margin, or padding. 3. Value. The value determines the specific setting or measurement for a CSS property, such as a color value, pixel measurement, or keyword value. 4. Declaration. A declaration combines a property and its corresponding value, separated by a colon. Multiple declarations are enclosed within curly braces. 5. Class selector. The class selector targets HTML elements with a specific class attribute, allowing you to apply styles to multiple elements simultaneously. 6. ID selector. The ID selector targets a specific HTML element with a unique ID attribute. It is used when you want to apply styles to a single element. Summarization. In this crash course, we've explored the fundamental concepts of HTML and CSS in web development. We discussed their significance and shared stories and examples that highlight their transformative impact on the digital world. Additionally, we listed and described the top 12 popular HTML and CSS syntax elements that form the foundation of web design. With HTML, you can structure and organize content, while CSS allows you to apply styles and create visually appealing layouts. Together, they empower you to bring your creative visions to life and deliver engaging user experiences on the web. Poem. In the realm of HTML and CSS, where web pages come to impress, HTML structures content with care. CSS styles make designs flare. We declare. And gives the page its pleasure. Unfolds the main stage. With headings to engage. Selectors target elements with grace. Properties and values find their place. Classes and ids add styles delight. Creating designs that shine so bright. In the digital realm, we craft and weave. HTML and CSS, the power we believe. Song. Verse 1. In a world of code and design, HTML and CSS intertwine. Structure, style, a visual feast. Creating websites, a webmaster's feast. Chorus. HTML, CSS, building the web. From the root to the content's ebb. With syntax and selectors, we impart. Creating websites, works of art. Verse 2. The declaration start. And, the building blocks impart. 2. Headings we embrace. Styles and classes, a designer's grace. Chorus. HTML, CSS, building the web. From the root to the content's ebb. With syntax and selectors, we impart. Creating websites, works of art. Bridge. Through properties and values, styles emerge. ID selectors, a single element surge. Responsive design, a mobile embrace. HTML and CSS, a seamless space. Chorus. HTML, CSS, building the web. From the root to the content's ebb. With syntax and selectors, we impart. Creating websites, works of art. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html ?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.